Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to test network speed on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store. Now from here just search test network speed. Now from here scroll down and download this app. Now it will take a few seconds to download. Now once the app is fully downloaded, tap on open. Now from here tap on next and tap on continue. Now from here just tap on while using the app. Now from here just tap on allow. Now from here just tap on allow. Now from here tap on next. Now from here scroll down and tap on allow all the time. Now from here tap on continue. Now from here to test the network speed just tap on go. Now from here, as you can see, it is testing the download speed of your network. Now from here, as you can see, it is testing the upload speed of your network. Now from here, once the network speed test is finished, just tap on detailed result. Now from here, you can see the detailed result. You can see that the download speed is 73.7 megabits per second and the upload speed is 74.2 megabits per second. And if you scroll down, you can also see the ping of your network. And this is how you can test the network speed on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.